Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious fried rice. First, ensure you have day-old cold rice. This is crucial for a non-soggy result. Next, prepare all your ingredients, like chopping vegetables and whisking eggs, before heating your wok. This mise-en-place approach makes the cooking process smooth and quick, preventing anything from burning while you're busy. Get ready to create a fantastic meal. Achieving that perfect fried rice flavor starts with a very hot wok. Add a tablespoon of oil and quickly cook your protein, such as scrambled eggs or diced chicken, then remove it. Next, add a bit more oil and sauté aromatics like garlic and ginger until fragrant. Follow with your chosen vegetables, cooking them until they are tender crisp, retaining a nice bite. This layering of flavors is key. Now it's time to bring everything together. Add your cold rice to the hot pan, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. Stir-fry for a few minutes to heat it through and develop a slightly crispy texture. Then, return your cooked proteins and sautéed vegetables to the pan. Drizzle in soy sauce, a dash of sesame oil, and a pinch of sugar for balance. Toss everything to combine evenly. To finish your homemade fried rice, garnish with some freshly chopped green onions or cilantro for a burst of color and freshness. Serve it immediately while it's hot and the flavors are at their peak. This dish is incredibly versatile, so feel free to experiment with different proteins and vegetables next time. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.